Welcome to Renaissance Computers. Today we'll be treating how you can use the paste command, cut, copy, format printer, how you can change font style, how you can increase font style, how you can increase sizes, how you can bold it or size, how you can use the entire font command under the home menu. So what you need to do is to select. So this may reads as follows. How does this innovation solve real-world challenges, not just for Nigerians? So if I select those now and I decide to cut removes the entire word or whatever you highlight from the space. That is what cut does. So what copy does is it gets an image of that particular write-up and duplicates it to another location where you paste. Unlike cut, which removes, copy does not remove. So when you copy or cut, you go to the location where you want to put it, you click. When your cursor, this is the cursor, when it blinks, you paste, you hit on the paste or you click on paste. To continue to paste as long as you hit the paste command. So that is how you paste and that is how you cut and copy. So we see that this impact is bold unlike other text here. So if I want other text or another text to look like this impact, what I need to do is to select the impact, go to Format Printer. So I'll now go to the words or words I want to take the shape of impact, click and drag around it, and it will begin to look like that. So they will now maintain the same formatting pattern. So the same thing applies if I select Not and Format Painter, apply it on this. This will change now to maintain the same formatting style as the word I copy. So that is it on paste, cut, copy and format painter.